Hello everyone, I am Pushpavalli, working as a ServiceNow developer at Palni. We are going to understand the problem management lifecycle. Very simple way with real-time examples. So let's get started. What is problem management? First, let's understand what a problem is. A problem is the root cause of one or more incidents in IT systems. For example, employees in a company are unable to access email again and again. This means there is some underlying issue, not just a one time incident. Who can create a problem? In tools like ServiceNow, user with ITIL roles or user with problem management roles can create a problem record. Overview of your life cycle. Now let's look at the 6 stages of problem management life cycle. Problem detection, problem logging, categorization and prioritization, investigation and diagnosis, workaround and resolution, problem closure and review. Let's understand each step one by one. Problem detection. This is the first step. It means identifying that a problem exists. Usually, this happens when multiple incidents are reported, alerts are triggered. For example, many users report the email system is crashing every day. This indicates a hidden root problem. Problem logging. Once detected, we create a problem record in the system. It includes a problem description, related incidents, date and time, impact. For example, frequent email server crashes affecting 200 plus users. Categorization and prioritization. Here we classify the problem and decide how urgent it is based on impact and urgency. Impact means number of users are affected, urgency, how fast it needs fixing. Example, category and priority. Investigation and diagnosis. This is the most important step. We find the root cause using root cause analysis. Example, the IT team discovers that the email server crashes due to memory overloaded caused by a faulty update. Workaround and resolution. Now we fix the problem. Two types of fixes. Temporary fix is a workaround, permanent fix is resolution. For example, workaround is restart the server daily. Permanent fix is remove faulty update and install correct patch. Problem closure and review. Finally, we close the problem after verification step. Ensure issue is resolved, document the solution, update knowledge base. Example, no crashes for 1 week, problem is closed, knowledge article is created. Roles in problem management. Let's quickly look at roles involved. Problem manager oversees the process, problem analyst finds root causes, service desk identifies problem for incident, change manager approves changes, configuration manager maintains system data. First, we have the new state. Is where a problem is created, usually when multiple incidents are reported for the same issue. Next is assess. Here, the team checks the impact and priority of the problem. They decide whether it needs further investigation. After that comes root cause analysis, also called RCA. That is a very important stage where the team finds the actual reason behind the issue. Once the root cause is identified, we move to fix in progress. In this stage, the team starts working on the solution, like applying a patch or fixing code. Then comes resolve. This means the issue has been fixed and it is no longer happening. Finally, we have closed. After verification and documentation, the problem is officially closed. Now, sometimes the issue may come again. In that case, go for reanalyze, which means we revisit the RCA or fix again. There are also some special cases. If the issue is already reported, mark it as duplicate. If it's not valid, cancel. If fix is too risky or costly, accept risk. So the simple flow is new, assess, root cause analysis, fix in progress, resolved, closed. Conclusion. So remember, problem management is not just about fixing issues. It is about preventing future incidents. It is about finding the root cause, providing a permanent solution, preventing future incidents. This is ultimately improves business performance and IT service quality. That's all for this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.